everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is going to be a makeup video. It's not going to be any kind of tutorial, but just me sitting down and doing makeup. It's been long since I have done a makeup video, so I thought that today I should do one. This makeup look is inspired by Debussy Banerjee. I'll put a picture of her in the screen. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. I'm starting with a clean face. I'll first apply a primer. This is the primer I'm going to be using. It's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So I'm going to take a very little of it and apply it on my cheeks or the textured area of my face. Now this primer may look a little white on your skin, but once you apply your foundation, it will be gone and it won't bother your face. So for foundation, I'm going to be using two foundations. First one is this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. It's in the shade 03 Warm Sand. Don't mind the bottle of it, it's pretty dirty. So I'll take a few drops on the back of my hand, and to that I'll mix Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Now when I bought this Maybelline foundation, I was a little tanned, so I bought the shade 310, but after a while I noticed that this foundation oxidizes a lot and it changes to a whole different color altogether. So if you are planning to buy this foundation, buy a shade lighter so that when it oxidizes, it gets adjusted to your skin tone. So I'll just apply it all over my face and blend it with a brush. And why I mix both of the foundation is both the foundations on their own are really nice, but when we mix both of the foundations, the coverage that it gives is really nice, and the skin tone the foundation shade matches my skin tone perfectly. So I prefer mixing both. If you wanna go for a light finish, light to medium kind of a finish, you can use the foundations on their own, but I like mixing both of them. It's no harm in mixing foundations. Now that my foundation is well blended, I'll move on to concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer again. It's my favorite concealer. I'm in the shade 25 medium. I don't like highlighting all of my face, just the basic areas, and that's it. Now I'm not applying the concealer on top of my eyelids right now. I'll apply it after a while, but for now I'm just focusing on my base. I'll apply a little bit on my cupid's bow and on my chin. That's it. I'm just buffing my concealer, and if you drag it, it would create lines under your eyes. So with concealer, you just want to buff it in, and that's it. Compact, I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Magic All-in-One Matte Transforming Compact. Now I have this for a while now. If you check my blog post, you would see its review there. I'm not setting my entire face, I'm just setting the areas I applied concealer and the areas I spread very much. I don't like setting all of my face. I am a very dry skin type. Second, I like my makeup to be dewy. And third, I don't sweat on my face at all. I sweat only on my upper lip region and on the tip of my nose. But other than that, I don't sweat that much. And that's the reason I don't set my face, and it doesn't bother me much. So because I'm going for a makeup look in which the eyes are the most important part, I'm going to keep my base very, very simple. I'm not going to apply any contour or blush, but I'm going to add some highlighter obviously at the end of the makeup. But for now, we are all done with the base. Before starting with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna conceal my eyelids so that we have an even tone on the eyelids. So where is my concealer? I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer on both my eyelids, and with my finger I'll blend it. It's very easy to blend with your fingers, and with the warmth of your fingers it blends very quickly and effortlessly. So I like blending it with my fingers. So I'll take some compact with my fingers again and just lightly tap it on my eyelids. Don't apply too much powder on your eyelids or it will just accentuate the lines on your eyelids. With my eyes, I'm not gonna use too many products. We're just gonna be very simple with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking some primer on the back of my hand, as you can see, and to that we'll mix some liquid lipstick in the pink shade. As you can see, it's a very bright pink shade. Tone the lipstick down. I'm mixing it with my primer. Now you can see the lipstick is toned down. I'm just gonna apply it directly on my eyelids. I hope it works. So it will be very easy for me to blend like this. Now I think I'm gonna be needing a little bit more lipstick because I'm not getting that very bright pink color. You can see I'm achieving that bright pink shade I was looking for, but I need to blend it much more. We are done with eyeshadow. It's time for eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Lakme Insta Liner. It's in the shade blue. I've done my eyeliner on one eye and I'm gonna do my other eye off camera because it's very difficult to do eyeliner on camera. So I'm just gonna do it very quickly and return back once my eyeliner dries. I don't think I have done a good job in evening both the wings, but that's okay. That's what we are gonna work with. Now we are gonna apply some fake lashes. This is the fake lash I'm gonna be using. It's from Bronson Professional. It's an eyelash number M75. I'm just quickly gonna apply my eyelashes off camera. The lipstick is in the shade 16 Black Flag. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.